Karibu sana mwanchi umurigereria tusanga sentunda ya kabere ngomanya yagendete gukorekana ime yense ya Kenya. Umuriki w'ikiama gya UDA Omar Hassan KOENEKERIA babwatani b'ikiama ekyo buna abarwanereria babo nigo baguchakonyora OBOBUI ase Bw'Obochori oboke Bw'Obochori gukorekana bwangoiga. Okwana kurasa magacha manene y'ikiama ekyo chingaki cyokubwatoka chi certificate gochiase abarwanereria ao. Hassan nigatebire kiama ekyo nigekeroberetie nigo kere n'omugano bw'Obobui ase Bw'Obochori bwaeta. Murikito Linet Nyambane norobotio rasinchira yobwikirano. Ase egeikaro gyokubwatoka chi certificate gochia ase abarwanereri batatu bagochia kurwanerera ekerogo kyebunge ya Emurwa Dikir obwo MCA bwe ward ya Poro na boigo endo uyokorekana imeye county ya Nairobi ase chiobisi chikiama ekyo abarai ba UDA bakoragwa n'omoriki omonene nigo baruro kuburia gochia ase abarai bari bakorigia ebirogo wancherana amachibu ekero babwirwe ase Obochori.
Technology has eliminated all manners of contestations, all manners of displeasure. I saw a bit of anger in the social media, particularly because there was hype. One or two candidates would win, and they did not win. Those who call themselves Gen Z, some of you are our sons, our nephews, our nieces. Your anger should be in the ballot box. Hii mambo ya kwenda to have some false warrior attitude, to insult and derogate people on the social media, paints you as a village hero without substance, a preacher without a congregation. Unahubiri tu, lakini hauna wafuasi, unapata likes, unapata retweets. And in Kenya, we must create the culture that you must be able to concede elections. You must have the integrity and the honor to concede elections. No Kenyan never loses an election. I have conceded 2 elections myself, and the last one I knew.
Chingaki checho omoseneta bwe county ya Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago nigo atogire kiama ekyo kya UDA aso koira ebitambokero byo gutumia enjera yekerero na goteba kiama tikeyo kirarenganigwe na keria kya UDA.
The landmark of the improvement in this nominations process is actually the electronic voting process that we are now in as a political party. We are the first political party in this country to go electronic in its nomination. And that tells you that this party is keen in ensuring that their candidates are the candidates of the people and that the nominations are free and fair. And we are in the quest of fulfilling those pre-election pledges so that when we go back to the electorate in 2027, we are telling them we committed to housing, you can all see. We committed to universal health coverage, you can see. We committed to food security, you can see. We committed to ensuring there's conducive business environment, you can see. As a party, we committed to free, fair, verifiable nominations, you can already witness. What reasons will anybody have not to vote for UDA and this government?
Nonye nabo Omar nigo amochiria abarai bari bakomochia eserekari egati yabo oyokabeire omurai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta nabo igo egati echinyumba choborarie asatebire buna chabeire chikoraria chitarifa choborimo.
Uhuru looks us in the eye and tells us how a government must be run. He did not do any of those things. He privatized Kenya into a Kenyatta corporation. He killed sectors of the economy to build his own, including banks, where he tried to institutionalize the NCBA. He killed KCC and other milk companies to create a dominance and a monopoly. Rigidia anamka asubuhi ni Ruto, anamka jioni ni Ruto, anaenda kulala ni Ruto. And a pack of lies, a pack of propaganda, a pack of falsities. And unfortunately, to 1 or 2 people, it's the thing that they use to derive their comfort that probably there's somebody, that is not what accountability is about. Iko shida gani? Munasema maurongo juu ya urongo juu ya urongo. You have headlines that are unpatriotic. because somebody hajalipa deni, mtu ako na private commitments zake hajafanyiwa, mwingine ako na uhasidi ya mwenzake.
Ngoripoteria en Soko TV, erietaria ne Linet Nyamba.